Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here with my little brother.
Hi.
Hi. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Jaybird Freedom Special Edition. So they're actually on sale on Best Buy right now. They're only $50, which is a really good offer, especially when they came out they were $200, then they went down to $150, and right now they're on sale for $50. So it's basically a 75% discount on the original price. They're not the newest model, but still. So I mean, let's get to opening it, if I can open it. So I got these headphones because I used to have a Jaybird X3s, but
on Christmas.
Yeah, last Christmas, but sadly I lost them, so I kind of need to get new ones. So yeah, here's the box. Oh, slides right out. Here, so here you have a Jaybird logo. Pretty nice.
Yep.
Oh, here are the headphones. They look pretty. First impression, they look really nice. They're like much smaller than the X3s. That's what I've heard. That's what I've also saw from other YouTubers. So on the back here, you're gonna have the remote. Yeah. So here's the cable. It's not very long, but it's nice. I think there's obviously two ways. You can either wear them like this, or you can wear them like this. I'll eventually figure out how to use them properly. But this is nice. Is this metal? I don't know. This is honestly a little nicer than the X3s for some reason. Oh wow, there's a lot of stuff inside. So it comes with this little pouch, and inside you have a bunch of stuff. Oh. So you have this USB cable to charge the little cradle. That's right here. You also have the wings and the wings. Yeah. And then you have this.
Oh, here's
the clips. And that's pretty much it. Here it's just a quick start. It's a quick start, and just talking about the Jaybird My Sound app. I used to use that app, and it works really well. So it's a very nice app. I don't know if there was any extra tips. I think they're in here, but whatever. I mean, they're $50. Usually, headphones that are usually $50 are not very good, but Jaybird headphones are usually really good.
There's more.
Yeah, they're tips. They're wings. So I eventually want to get maybe the Jaybird runs, but I'll get that in the future. So yeah, this was just a pretty quick video, just showing. So it is wireless music and calls, secure fit, My Sound app. They're sweat proof. 8 hours of playtime, so it's 4 hours in the battery plus 4 hours in this rechargeable cradle thing. They're patented micro-sized premium metal buds. Oh, so they are, and they have voice prompts. So obviously they're Bluetooth. So yeah, if you guys want me to do a full review of them, even though they already came out a really long time ago, just let me know down below. And well, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Comment. Bye.